Hi, good morning children. I'm going to teach you today class 8 subject computers. The lesson name is a network concept. अगले वीडियो में मैं जिस पैराग्राफ को छोड़ी थी जहाँ से मैं नहीं पढ़ाई थी नेटवर्क टर्मिनोलॉजी, मैं वहाँ से आज पढ़ाऊँगी. प्लीज़ ओपन द बुक. Notes: and active device attached to a computer network such as a computer or a switch or a point in a network. Topology: at which lines in text server. It is a computer program running to server. The request of other programs, the clients. Thus the server performs some tasks on behalf of clients. The clients which run on some computers or can't. Third, the network. For example, a small home network may be set up as saw on your right. Network interface unit. A network interface unit, NIU. Something called a network interface device is a device that serves as a common interface for various other devices within a local area network, LAN, or as an interface to allow networked computer to connect to an outside network. Protocols. It is a rather technical word, but it simply means an agreed method of doing something. A network protocol is the agreed method of communication to be used within the network. Each device computer will use these protocols. Type of networks. LAN, local area networks. A network that connects computer and device is a limited graphical area such as home, school computers, laboratory, office building, or closely positions group of buildings. WAN, wide area network. It covers a large graphical area such as a city, country, or spans even interconnected devices using a communication channels that combines many types of a media such as telephone line, cables, and wire. MAN, metropolitan area network. It covers a large area than a LAN, LAN. For example, a network that connected to office in a city, a neighborhood area, etc. CAN, campus area network. A network made up of an interconnection of LANs within a limited graphical area. In the case of a university campus based campus networking, the network is likely to link a variety of campus buildings including academic, college or department, university, library, and student residence halls. PAN, personal area network. It is used for communication among computers and different information technology device close to one person. Examples are personal computers, printers, fax machines, telephones, PDS, scanners, and even video games consoles. Home network. An important function is the sharing of internet. Access often a broadband service thought a cables, TV or digital subscriber line. DSL, digital subscribers line. Provider, if you have more than one computers in your household, you might want to connect all of them to the internet. Enterprise private network. An enterprise private network is a network built by an enterprise to interconnected various company, sits, productions, head office, remote office, shops in order to share computer resource. Networking topology. A networking topology is the physically layout of computers, cables and other components on a network. There are a number of different network topology and a network may be built using multiple topology. The different type of network layout are as follows. Bus topology. It consists of main cables with terminators at each end. When a computer sends out a signal, the signal travels the cables length in both direction from the sending computer. When the signals reaches the end of the cable's length is bounces back and returns in the direction it come from. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, every network device is connected to others network device. It is a costly because of the extra cables needed and it is a very complex and difficult to manage. Every node has a connection to every other nodes in the network. Ring topology. All computers are connected by a cable that circles in a ring. It has no stars and end point signals travels in one direction on a right Y are passed from on computers to the next with each computers ringing the signal so it is may traverse the distance required. Star topology. Each node like workstations, printers, laptop, server, etc. connected directly to a center network hub. Since all devices are connected to a central hub, nodes communication across the network by passing data through the hub. बस टोपोलॉजी, रिंग टोपोलॉजी एंड स्टार टोपोलॉजी, ठीक है। और एक होता है हब, ठीक है, इस टाइप का होता है, एक बॉक्स की तरह। ये कंप्यूटरों को क्या करता है, नेटवर्क देता है, ठीक है। और ये सबसे ज्वाइंट होता है, जैसे जहाँ का भी नेटवर्क कनेक्शन होगा उस तरह। थैंक यू।